Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got this wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. Where am I anyways? Oh.
Mike, did you have breakfast?
Who?
Huh? It's your sister.
Joe. Oh, hey guys.
Hey, Mike.
What's...
Oh.
Yeah, he tells me.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't hear that before.
Okay, do that again. Hey.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Well, I'm here to do some work. What is it that I'm going to do? Well, the other day, don't these cabinets look nice? Yes, well, the other day they were up higher, and what we ended up doing, Marky and me, we lowered the cabinets and we installed a new microwave as well, and we took the backsplash off here. That was a pain, and you know, it wasn't that hard to do all this, was it, Mark? I mean, the hardest thing was just to get these cabinets off the wall without ripping up the walls, because over here there's a little piece of trim that was caulked in on the back side. We have to score it. Same thing on this other side, and all around the backsplash. We took the backsplash out because we lowered everything down. We didn't want the upper cabinet here. These are 3 separate cabinets. We didn't want the middle cabinet to bump out. Plus, we wanted this to lay flat on there. They're going to end up doing something else under here. You could put tile on the walls here. For right now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to float this all out. I'm going to put quickset on here and all that kind of stuff. And eventually they're going to take this stove. They're going to get a new stove. And the reason why they put a new microwave, because they wanted this one's nice stainless steel, because they're going to get a new refrigerator. This one looks kind of nice. It's a little bit small, but they're going to get a different one here that's going to match stainless steel, because they love stainless steel. And you know, the hardest thing about stainless steel is to keep it nice and clean. Get your grubby fingers off of there and use the right cleaner to keep it clean. So today, yes, I got the quickset here. I call this quickset. This is called Easy Sand 45 joint compound. It's a fast setting material, and it's in the dry form. So then I got to mix that up, and then for the top coat, I'm going to use all-purpose joint compound. But this one, you may say, hey Joe, this is not all-purpose lightweight joint compound. This is called ultra lightweight. It is a joint compound. I looked at that. It's a little bit lighter, and it doesn't have as much water in it, but it says it's easier to install. It floats on better, and it also sands easier, and it's a little bit harder. It's a little bit tougher than regular, and it didn't really cost any more than the other, maybe 75 cents more. So I'm going to try that this time. And I was supposed to be over here yesterday, and by golly and by Joe, I couldn't find all my tools, and so I had to go back to Home Depot, my favorite store. What do you suppose I had to get? I got all this stuff here to do this little project, and that's pretty much all I'm going to need right there. And you know, this is for something else. So here's my stuff. You can get by with something like this. This was only like $5. Here's some joint webbing tape. This is self-adhesive webbing tape, and I like to use that for small little projects. And I've got sanding. Here's sandpaper, and that's to go for my little paddle sander. And I'm going to wrap that on there. You've got to get it nicely sanded before you paint. Okay, I got a 4-inch knife, a 6-inch knife, and I got a 10-inch. And each one of these was about $10. And this was $10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, maybe $55. And the material was about $10 each, $11 and $10, so $75. And you can do the project on your own. I've got some craft paper here, and I'm going to put that down on the floor and stuff. And you can do certain things like this. I've got all kinds of videos on my YouTube channel. So that's what my project is today, is to float this all out. So I'm going to put 2 coats of quickset on all of these imperfections here. Okay, all this stuff here. I'm going to have to clean all this off, make sure there's no loose bits here before I cover these up with the quickset. I'll put 2 coats of quickset, get that nice and smooth. I'm even going to pull the stove out a little bit because we're not sure where the other stove is going to finish, and it might be a standalone type stove that goes up. This one here, actually the trim goes over the counter. Not quite sure if the new stove's going to do that or not, and if it doesn't, these edges here are going to be showing, and you could put something on there to make it shinier if you want to match that. And I don't know, Mark, did you end up doing that already?
Already, yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. He's already. What did you end up doing? Did you do the plants?
Nancy put that, no, magic marker.
Magic marker. Magic marker on here. You can try that if you want it. If you want it shinier, you could use appliance paint. You know, just black, nice and shiny if you wanted, or you can just do it like that. Magic marker. That does it too. Okay. So enough of that. I'm gonna have to get my stuff ready and float out this wall. Okay. Glad you stuck around and watched this video. Here's a tip I want to share with you when you get ready to start doing your taping and stuff. If you have the paper on the face of your wall ripped off, you're going to have the backing on here. If you get this wet, then it starts bubbling up. So if you put regular mud on there or something and that starts bubbling, you think, what am I going to do? How am I going to fix that? Well, you could put shellac on there, clear sealer or something on there first, you know, and then let it dry, and then go ahead and put your quickset on there. But I don't have anything like that, so what I'm going to try to do this time, I've never really tried it, but I'm going to take webbing tape. This is self-adhesive webbing tape, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on there along with quickset. The quickset's going to go right through the mud, right through the holes on the webbing tape, and then that's going to help bond on there. I've cleaned up all the little bits, and here there was a hole down here too. See that hole there? Somebody made a boo-boo here once upon a time, right down there. Now I'm going to fill that up with quickset. Then I'm going to take my webbing tape right here, and I'm going to put that over that. See, because it's got holes in it, perforated like that, the mud's going to stick in there, and I'm going to fix this hole down there too. Okay, so there's a few tips for you when you're covering up the paper like this. Let's get her going. You see there, I just put some webbing tape up there. I'm going to try that this time. I put that up there like that on all the ones that go all the way down to the actual paper. These other holes, I just can put quickset on those. I don't have to put any webbing on there. And I'm using quickset, and that's going all the way down to the webbing, through the webbing down to the paper, okay? I'm just going to concentrate on those patches first. And because the microwave's up now, I'm just going to have to be as careful as I can. And I don't have to get it perfect. I can wait for this coat to dry, and then I can put some more on there, okay? I'm just trying to get it a good coverage over the webbing. And I'm going to hope that that doesn't bubble. I've never used the webbing tape like this before. I thought I might as well make a video of it and show you. Of course, I'm going to show you anything I ever do. Okay. And you might laugh, hey Joe, how come you didn't get a stainless steel mud pan? Well, I'm showing you that you don't need one. That's why I've got that. If I was never making videos, I would have a stainless steel pan. It costs about $14 as opposed to $5. Okay? But you don't have to spend that. Try using something like this first, because you may decide after your first patch, oh, that's not for me, I'm never going to do that again. Okay, so start out with the plastic one, and then you can do some other. Okay, wipe it on there. See, I wiped those edges off like that. And now I'm doing the other the other spots that don't have the tape on there. I'm just using my 4-inch knife, just get it flat. Okay, there's only so much you're gonna do before you gotta just let it wait to dry, okay? That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I went to Costco and I got there at 6:01. Guess what time they closed?
6 on Sundays.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my God.
I missed out on Costco.